Bitcoin price, look at this parallel channel. We draw this last week. We broke out, bam, for 2 days, and then we went back to the parallel channel. Ngayon, let's see this week, month end na po ngayon if we're going to touch this lower bottom or part ng channel. Maybe around 96,000. Tignan natin kung tatamaan natin yan. 96, baka magdo-double bottom tayo dito. Let's see if we're going to revisit this area again. Gusto ko tamaan yung channel. Sa totoo lang, i-touch natin itong lower portion. Pagka today pala to tinouch, pwedeng mga 94 somewhere here, lower low, sa baba nitong channel. But I'm not going to buy back because naka-ready na po yon for next cycle na. Focus on selling a Bitcoin. Maybe a lower low is also good, So watch this out. Bakit ko po pinapakita sa inyo to? Baka kasi ma-shake out kayo. Magkakapigaan na naman dito, malamang. Lalo na pagka nag-revisit dito. Maya-maya, tagusin to, bumalik ka somewhere. Nasaan ang breakout point natin? Bumalik ka dito sa lower bottom, lower portion, 85. Let's see 87. Kung bumalik ka dito sa bandang 87, marami na naman matatakot yan. Let's see. Pero for now, we want to see Bitcoin touch the lower part nitong parallel channel. This is still intact. So we're expecting buyers to step up pag mabot po yan dito. Just be careful, of course. You have to plan your trade and manage your risk as well.